ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನ ಬಹುನಿರೀಕ್ಷಿತ ನಗರ ಜೀವನ ಶೈಲಿಯ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ವಸತಿ ಯೋಜನೆ ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಶನಿವಾರ ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಿಂದ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಭಾರತ್ ಬೇಡಿಸ್ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಆನಂದ್ ಜಿ ಪೈ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್ ವಿಭಾಗವನ್ನ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಹೋಮಿಯೋಪತಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಫೌಸ್ಟಿನ್ ಲೋಬೋ, ಫುಡ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎನಪೋಯ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಎನಪೋಯ ಜಾವೇದ್, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೋಬೋ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಜಿ ಆಡಳಿತ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ರೋಹಿತ್ ಭಟ್, ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಅನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಸೈಯದ್ ಮಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಬಾರಿ, ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಖ್ಯಾತ ವೇಟ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟರ್ ಅಶ್ವಿನ್ ಸನಿಲ್, ಡ್ಯಾಶಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಉದ್ಯಮಿ ಸಿದ್ದಿಕ್ ಹಾಜಿ, ರಾಕ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ಗೋಡೆಯನ್ನ ಅನಿವಾಸಿ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಉದ್ಯಮಿ ಮಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಕುಂಜಿ, ಟಾಯ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಸಿದ್ದಿಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾರಿ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಬ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಸೈಯದ್ ಬ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗದ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಮಾಲ್ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಸಾಧಿಸಿದ ಬಳಿಕ ಇದೀಗ ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಗರ ಜೀವನ ಶೈಲಿಯ ಈ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಮಾಲ್ ಶುಭಾರಂಭಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. 320 ಮನೆಗಳಿರುವಂತಹ ಬೃಹತ್ ಸಂಕೀರ್ಣ ಹೃದಯ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೂ ದುಬಾರಿಯಲ್ಲದ ಸಂಕೀರ್ಣ ಎಂಬ ಗರಿಮೆಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಬ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆ ಪರಿಸರದ ಪ್ರಗತಿ, ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯ ಹೊಸ ದಿಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಮಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಧಾನಸಭಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯ ನಗರಗಳನ್ನ ವಿಶ್ವದರ್ಜೆಗೆ ಏರಿಸುವಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಾಲ್ ಪಾತ್ರ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಲಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಲೋನ್ ಪಡೆಯದೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಪಾವತಿಸದೆ ಈ ಯೋಜನೆಯನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಇನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೃದಯ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್, ಆಧುನಿಕ 4 ಪರದೆಗಳ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್, ವಿವಿಧ ಪಾಕವಿಧಾನಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡ ಸೊಗಸಾದ ಫುಡ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಟಗಳು, 4 ಲೇನ್ ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಲಾಯ್, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ವಾಲ್, ಬಂಪರ್ ಕಾರುಗಳು, ಇಂಡೋರ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಹಾಗೂ ಇತರ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯಮಯ ಆಟ ಹಾಗೂ ಮನೋರಂಜನೆಗಳು ಲಭ್ಯ ಇದೆ. ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಿಗೆ ಈ ಆಟಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಫುಡ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ರುಚಿಯಾದ ಆಹಾರ ಖಾದ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಸವಿದು ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೆಯಲು ಇದೊಂದು ಅವಕಾಶವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಖ್ಯಾತಿಯ ಲೂಲು, ಸ್ಪಾರ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಹೈಪರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಗಳ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್ಗಳು ಶೀಘ್ರ ಆರಂಭವಾಗಲಿದೆ ಎಂದರು. ಬ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಂತೆ 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಯೋಜನೆಯಾಗಿತ್ತಾದ್ರೂ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ 12 ವರ್ಷ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಲ್ನ ಮನೋರಂಜನಾ ಪ್ರದೇಶವು ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಹಾಗೂ ನೈಸರ್ಗಿಕ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸದೊಂದಿಗೆ ರೂಪುಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಆಧುನಿಕ ಶೈಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಭವೋಪೇತವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದರು. ಬಳಿಕ ಮಾಲ್ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣದ ಹಿಂದೆ ದುಡಿದ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್, ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್, ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಡಿಸೈನರ್, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ತಂಡ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದವರನ್ನ ಗೌರವಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಅಶ್ರಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾರೆ, ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫಿಟ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಕೋಡಿ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಇಕ್ಬಾಲ್, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಪ್ರಫುಲ್ಲ ಪುಷ್ಪರಾಜ್, PRO ಬಾಪು ನಾಯ್ನಾರ್ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
This is when you looked at this property, you must be wondering why we made this as a multi-user. There is a residential. We have 320 residential unit. We have the single bedroom, studio, single bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 4 and 5 bedroom. Out of 320 apartment, 90% is already occupied. Our single bedroom, rather studio apartment, goes at 25,000 rupee rental. So you can imagine, this is such a most strategically located. So the students who are here, all are helping us to grow. Now, I was very concerned about the brand. I'm very brand conscious person. I don't take something for heck of it. I don't take anything for the question of a rental. I don't mind waiting, but I must get the right client. So that is where, we were waiting, and the entire project was settled for, we are running, as you know, a shopping mall called Berry City Center in Shivamogga. That's about 360,000 square foot. Everything is occupied, beautifully occupied, doing a great job. So all that main tenants, they said they will come over here. Literally they signed the contract, everything is over. But then man proposes, God disposes. Then came the COVID. With the COVID, everything is taken a backseat. So with the backseat, now we are, trying our level best to make sure that it happens sooner than later. Thank God, generally we start bottom up, but here we are going top down. We have completed the second floor, our family entertainment arena, our multiplex and food court is all ready now. You can see the people, it is all packed here, and we are also now talking to Lulu hypermarket and our our city center mall. Who's the city center? Spar or Lulu. So this is where the I would not say competition, because that is again destined. Who has to come? They will come. So no tension on that. You know, who have been destined to come here, they will come. But both of them are really good. Spar has already proved their mettle in our project in the city center, Shivamogga, and Lulu is an international brand. That doesn't require any introduction. You know, so we are keen to get them, and a number of other international brands are planning to come here. God willing, on 15th of August, it's about how many months? 4 months away. By 15th of August, we thought we will get the independence from a very starting point after 12 years. You know, so anyway, all in all, it has been a great going. In this, a lot of people, blood, sweat, and tears is there. I would like to first and foremost remember our architect N.M. Salim, the amazing design what he has done. You know, I would like to pray for his early recovery. He is having some health issue. You know, he had a blood clot in his head. It has been operated successfully. Unfortunately, he cannot speak now. You know, so you can imagine an intelligent person like an architect. When he cannot speak, you can imagine the frustration. So we all need to pray for his early recovery. And I would also like to remember our construction team, headed by my brother Ashraf Berry and his entire team. Here, our Ishwan sir, please come. Please come, sir. Gani, come. Ishwan sir, his experience is my age. His experience is my age. He is a 86 years young man. You know, he is the first man to come to the site every day. And he is the last man to go also. One day, the conflict was happening at 2:30 night in one of our projects. So the project manager called him when the work is over, said, I completed the job, thinking that, you know, he is going to see the message on the following day, then he will tell him. So 2:30 he called him, 2:32 minutes he replied saying to that guy, saying that have you taken care of whatever the technical aspect. So that is our Ishwan sir. And then Mr. Gani joined as our project engineer. Now he is our director. First, employee become the director for us. So I would like to thank, where is Ashraf? Ashraf, come. So it's a huge team, but then I cannot invite everybody. So please give them. Ashraf, you give them the bouquet. After the structure over, then comes the interior. Interior, again, we have an amazing person, my brother's son, Iqbal. Where is Iqbal? Come Iqbal and his team. And the initial liaison, everything is done by Mr. Bapu, one of the sister's son. He is my brother's son, Iqbal. And Bapu Nainar is my eldest sister's son. Where is Bapu? Bapu, come fast. Come, run. Yeah. So, Mazhar, you get one. Siddiq. So, when the structure is ready, then, interior is done, then comes the marketing. In the marketing, my younger brother, Siddiq Berry, he plays a very, very important role. Along with Siddiq Berry, our Prafulla, and Anupriya, and all those who have helped in our marketing. Nandakumar, come on, Siraj, and whoever is there. Yeah, Ramkrishna and your team. Yeah, come now. Kiran come. Everybody, every one of you. Yeah, come. So Mazhar, you give them the. Yeah, give them the. Prafulla, one to Prafulla and one to, Nandakumar sir. Okay, give them a big round of applause. Yeah.